Hey there guys, it's me, the one and only Doncaster Vlogger. We're just about to go at the house and I feel like I'm wearing weird armour boots because look, these are brand new trainers. Oh fear, no fear trainers. Awesome. Quite nice I think. We're just about to go town, so you come in with me. It's a bit windy outside, so if you can't hear me, don't panic. Gemma's going to town, and so am I. But I won't be stopping with Gemma. And the apocalypse is over, people. There's people around because I can see people. Look, there's even cars right over there going past. So the apocalypse is over. There's someone over there, look as well. And Gemma's got her old granny trolley. Gemma's fetching an old granny trolley. What the fuck's that all about? We're going to town. Careful! Don't think that I'm pushing that controller because I'm getting out. Do you know what you look like? Yeah. Come on.
There's your keys.
Keys. Yes, everyone. I cleaned all this the other day. And it's getting a mess again. Vlogging outside, people. Vlogging outside. I don't know what she's waiting for. She does this all the time. It's insane. It's weird. What? Dear. At times, Gemma gets really pissed off, or with no reason whatsoever. Don't you, Mrs. Eskimo? I wonder how Dean B's doing. What? Gemma's going to see our best mate today. Hey Gemma, have you seen these brand new street lights?
Yeah, I know, it's weird, aren't they? They're LED, the council trying to save money.
Yes, here in Doncaster we have brand new street lights.
We've got them in Sheffield as well. I've seen one in Lincoln as well.
Yeah.
So obviously upgraded more.
What?
The only trouble is, those LEDs are that bright, they keep you up at night, you know, because the curtains don't fully, you know, street lights. Have you noticed we live next door to a street light all the time?
Oh yeah.
Can't move into an house
Insane.
without a street light outside.
We have missed the bus.
I hope it's a blue bus. It's cheaper than the
Vlogging outside, people. It's getting cold.
Stop, look and listen.
It's a bit laggy. And windy. Windy!
Wendy! How would you go through a coach in Edinburgh?
freezing.
I'm warm with this one.
I'll try and do a vlogging time as well, so if I could cut this off, don't panic. There were 2 vlogs, so.
Can't you merge them together?
What?
Can't you put them together?
No. I tried that, but I can't do it. You need editing vlogs thing. So I'm about to do it. What?
Can't you download it for free?
No.
He's cheeky, isn't
God, my hair's a right mess.
he? He's cheeky in winning all that money. How does he do it?
If I scratch cards.
I know. That's
Right.
how
I'll pause it here, people, and part 2 of this video will be up soon. Well, no. Will be following.